Hi guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today we have the Barkbox. Do you want to see what's inside May's box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so this month's Barkbox came, and I'm sorry, but somehow Vienna knows. She has been, when it came today, this was delivered and put on my desk. I don't know if she can smell maybe her treats that are in here, but she has been trying to get on my desk all day. She's been acting really weird, like trying to get at this box all day. And I was like, do you want to go open your box? And she ran right in here like, let's do the damn thing. So let's go ahead and do an unboxing. I'm gonna see what is in here, and then we'll move to the other area and see how she likes her toys and how she plays with them. So let's go ahead and dive in here. Let's get this one opened. Yes, see, your treats are in here, right? Is this yours? Is this your box? Is this your box? Is this your box? Okay, so let me tell you a little bit about Barkbox. Barkbox has two different subscriptions. They have the normal Barkbox, and then they have the Super Chewer, which I purchased. So the normal Barkbox is $29 a month. If you do 6 months, it brings it to $25 a month. If you do 12 months, it brings it to $22 a month. And the Super Chewer, which is supposed to have super chewing toys for the super chewing dogs, that one is $39 a box. 6 months brings it to $34, and 12 months brings that down to $29. And I think I got her a 6-month subscription. So let's go ahead and see what this month's theme is. It looks like Under the Sea. That looks really cute. Here is their card. What is that? Do you have toys in there? Do you have toys in there? What is that? Now I've got her attention. She took it from me. Okay, so this month's theme looks like Sniffs from the Abyss. How cute. This month, follow your Super Chewer into the deep sea, where the toughest toys make a common motion in the ocean. Dive into a box full of mighty toys and mighty treats, and make sure to shake off before you come back in the house. And it says exploring is so much more fun together. Hi. So this looks like, I guess there could have been a number of different treats. We'll have to see which one she got. She's already kind of playing with one. So let me set this down and show you what she's playing with currently. Hold on. She's like, no, you ain't taking my toy. Okay, hold on. Hold on. She's been waiting all day for this, you guys. Okay, hey, it says Octopus. So there's the Octopus. How cute. Fluff-free, crinkle, and spiky ball. Hey, excuse you. Let me take the tag off. Hold on, child. Hold on, brown child. Hold on. Oh, wait. You got the tag here. I cut tags off for you too. Hold on. It's Vienna. Hold on, baby. Okay. Oop, you got a little pink. She might get this stuff everywhere. That's the only thing that I'm worried about, but here is her octopus. Stop. Here is her octopus. It has like a spiky ball inside with the squeaker, and this has a crinkle, which she wants. So I'm gonna just set her down and let her play with this for a minute, and then I'll show you what else is in the box. If we can get through without hearing all of this noise she is going to make. That might not have been a good idea. But let's see what else is in here. Oh, holy moly. This is heavy duty. I don't think she's going to play with this one. Now, one thing I do need to let you know, last month when she got some heavy duty toys, like so heavy, heavier than her, seemed like. And can I see your new toy? Can I see that? Can I see that? Hold on. Can I see? Oh no. Oh no. Okay, so let me finish this and then we'll move to it and you can see her play with them. So this right here is a Super Chewer Treat Lock Hermit Crab. You open this up, you put the treat in there, and then you lock it back. But she does not play with these toys at all. They had one last month that was a little bit smaller, and she did not want nothing at all to do with it. I even put one of the treats in there. I tried to get her to play with it. She did not want nothing to do with it. So I went ahead and gave them to my man's sister. She has bigger dogs, and she also does a lot of volunteer work with the dog shelters. So I know that a dog will love them. So I gave them to her to go ahead and donate either to herself or to the shelter that she works with. So it was a win-win, but they told me that they were going to change my profile to give me one Super Chewer that would be a little softer for her and one of the plush toys. Now, this is definitely not going to benefit her. She's not going to play with this, I know for a fact. So I'm gonna go ahead and give this to the same person so she can either use it for her dogs or for the shelter. Either way, this will be used by a bigger dog that has a heavier jaw and plays with these. So I'm going to assume, yes, this is a Super Chewer Treat Locking Treats in peanut butter flavor. These are the treats that go inside of here. And I'm gonna go ahead and I'm not even gonna open these. This I'm gonna go ahead and just give right to her. She will know what to do with them. She will find a good home for those. So this toy right here seems like the only toy she's going to play with out of this box. So this little paper is really cute though. It looks like you are in the sea of the abyss. I do love their themes. I do love this box. It's just, I'm gonna need to write to them and let them know that this box is still too tough for my little Vienna. And maybe see about dropping down to the normal Barkbox then, because if this is the toy that's in the normal Barkbox, then this is what we need for her. But pork and salmon, taste from the deep sea. This is the treat. These are wheat-free, soy-free, corn-free, grain-free, which is amazing because you definitely want to watch what your fur baby eats. And I'm all for having her have healthy things. And she absolutely loved the treats that came in last month. And one of them was like a cranberry type. And every time I open it to give her one, I honestly want to reach in and grab one for myself. That sounds nasty, but it smells amazing. It smells like pure cranberry. Like I'm jealous giving it to her, but they're for her, not for me. So this is our treat for this month. So I got that one. Here's the toy. And here is the Deep Clean Dental Chew. That's still kind of big. I might have to break that up into sections and see if she'll eat it. If not, I'll go ahead and put that with the other bigger toys and donate to the animal shelter. And then here is the Canine Bacon Roll small pork skin 1 pack. So that I will definitely give to her and see if she will eat it. That's what that one looks like. There you go. So now, when I did reach out to Barkbox and I explained to them that the Super Chewer are too super chewy for my fur baby, and to see what I can do, because I chose 0 to 20 pounds. So I'd hate to see a 5-pound dog try to play with these big old toys, but I reached out to them. They said they were going to change my profile, and out of the kindness of their heart, they said, I'm going to send you some new treats for her to play with in the meantime to get you by until you get your new Barkbox or Chewer box. So this is that bag right here. Now I do have to let you know, one of them is not in here because when the mailman gave these to me and I grabbed them, you hear that? She came hauling ass out of my office like, what do you got? What do you got? What do you got? So I had to open it to see what was in them, and I gave her the smallest one that was in here. That one was a little blue ball. It kind of reminded me of this one. It had the spiky, because you can feel like a spiky ball in here. And it was all blue, and it kind of had the looks of like a statue of the Liberty like head thing on top, but it didn't have this or this fur or anything like that. And that is her new love toy at the shop. She plays with it every day. So the other two that are still intact in here, I wanted to show you because they didn't need to do that. I chose the Super Chewer box, but out of the kindness of their heart, they wanted to send me new ones, just to kind of compensate for it. So again, one of them I don't have to show you. The next one, this is so cute. This is Penny the pineapple, and look at that. And it, So in a minute, you're gonna see her go crazy on these. So I'm gonna cut the tags on everything and just let her go to town on, see which one she chooses between these three when I put her on the ground with them. And you can see her play with them. But the next one, this is really cute. It looks like it's a bubble gum wrapper. And it has the little face right here. That's so cute. So these they sent me just out of courtesy. So I'm sure these are from other boxes. So these are so cute. And I've been waiting. This bag has been sitting on my little desk here for almost a month because they sent these to me instantly. So they've just been sitting here waiting for me to get this box so I can show you guys before I give them to her because she already has one at the shop again, like I said. So let's go ahead and I'm going to reposition you so you can see her. Let her play with these for a little bit so you can see how much she loves them. I will give her one of the treats and see if she grabs them like there's no tomorrow. And yeah, but again, I'm going to definitely get a hold of them, and maybe I just need to drop down to the normal Barkbox. I just felt that the Super Chewer would be better for her because she is a gnar, and I've literally gone to PetSmart. I've bought a $20 octopus for her. I've given it to her, and not even 5 minutes later, that octopus has, there's cotton everywhere. It's broken open. She gets down, and if there's a squeaker, she wants to get at that squeaker. So I thought that the Super Chewer would be better for her, but seeing how they're all these big hefty duty, I think these would be very good for bigger dogs, just not my dog. So I'm gonna see what they say. Maybe next month I'll have the regular size box to show you guys, but at least I know with these and this, she is going to have a ball. Plus, I'm sure she's going to love her new treats. Good, but I would like to kind of get a grasp on her box to kind of get it more tailored to her. But these made up for last month for sure. So let's go ahead and move you and see how she likes them. Oh, and they're shaped like little fish. Take it back. Bang. Stick 'em up. Stick 'em up. Good catch. Woo. So thank you so much, you guys, for tuning in and watching my crazy little fur baby with her new Barkbox. She is so excited. So now next month when I tell her box came in, she's going to know what I'm talking about, and she's going to totally want to unbox this with you guys and see what she has in her new box. And I'm so excited to kind of see what ends up happening and what kind of box she gets next month. So thank you so much for tuning in. If you're not already, I'd greatly appreciate you to hit that subscribe button so you will not miss a future video on my channel. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.